Gentlewoman from New York is recognized.
Mr. Speaker, I'm delighted to yield 1 minute to the distinguished gentlewoman from Illinois, a member of the Committee on Appropriations, Mrs. Bustos.
Gentlewoman from Illinois is recognized for 1 minute.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. A Boy Scout named Noah from Peoria, Illinois, wrote to me. He heard his city council talking about layoffs in the wake of COVID-19. Noah understands that we have failed towns like his. He wrote, quote, "Many people are going to lose their jobs. Some of those will be firefighters and police officers. That will not help my city. The city will not be safe." Noah, I hear you. Today, the United States House of Representatives hears you. With $915 billion for state and local assistance, we will help towns and cities like Noah's. We will also expand assistance to small businesses and farmers and keep families afloat. This isn't the final battle in the war against this virus, but the HEROES Act will increase American security, our food, health, and workplace security. I will vote yes. I yield back, Mr. Speaker.